My son said, "Dad, once I reach 99 pounds, I will eat 1 pound of nachos. Then I will be 99% your son and 1% nacho son." You're welcome.
Hey, so really exciting day today. We're gonna go do the final walkthrough. So cool. So let's go. So here's the stairs now without the thing on it. Bathroom number 1. Spare room. We bought the bed off them and the desk. So we'd have something in here because we just don't have enough furniture.
And they left me these 2 stuffies. This one was in my new room, and this one was sitting right here.
Cute.
They're mini stuffies.
Yeah. So over here's the 2 bedrooms. So Sam is claiming this room is hers, but she has bunk beds. So for now, this will be a guest room and she can sleep in it as well when she wants to. And then this will be her bedroom where her bunk beds and stuff go and all her toys.
So basically, I'm gonna have 2 rooms until we get company.
Yeah, she can pick whatever room she wants whenever she wants, basically.
It'll be in this room for a while.
And then here's the master. We bought these dressers off of them, so we'd have some already up here. And then here is the bathroom. So if I just take these down and replace the shower curtain up there, take these curtains down, replace the shower curtain, it would really modernize this room. Because the vanity is quite nice. So this is back down the stairs.
Do you believe the camper?
So we got all this furniture as well for the piano room, just because we would have nothing to put in here. It's like a sitting room. There's the piano, and through there's the dining room. I'll take that carpet up and put it in the basement though. Through here's the living room, fireplace, bookshelf, pretty convenient. And this way to the kitchen. Bought this table as well because it saves us having to go get one. And we'll put our table in this room for the dining room. Another little bathroom. And here is the mudroom. And it leads out into the garage, which is probably the entrance we will always use. So it's pretty cool. That's the lawnmower we bought off them. And just some random stuff they left for us. About that lawnmower as well. So this is how we'll probably always come in, because then we can just drop all our stuff right here in the mudroom. And I'll take you downstairs to the basement. All right, so here's the basement. So we bought the little deep freeze off them, and we have one as well that we'll add there. The old school treadmill I bought off them, just so I have one. We'll set up our gym down here. There's the wood stove, love that. And here's just like, I don't know, a utility room? Or I'm not sure, but it's pretty awesome. Workshop area, lots of stuff. Pretty cool. And now I'll take you outside. So we also bought this screen tent and the stuff in it. Pretty awesome, eh? That's now ours. There's Jeremy and Sam. The back deck. And the apple tree. Awesome. And here is a big maple. And another one there. Up on the deck. A beautiful clothesline. I'm so excited to use that. Bird feeder, hee. That's cool. So the roof's been done like 2 years ago, which is awesome. We don't have to think about doing that. They left us these pretty planters, and that's the New Brunswick flag and the Canada flag. Sam, don't pull them. Lots of pretty flowers everywhere.
One thing we never showed yet either was this garage. So we want to do like a bigger garage, but at least for now we can use this, and this will fit in it. So at least we have something, and then in there there's like lots of room. The lawn tractor's in there, other tools, stuff like that. So at least we have this garage, and there's a hatch so we can throw wood underneath, get underneath the vehicle, stuff like that. So that's cool. So that's pretty sweet. So at least there is this much of one, right? A start.
Over here is a small little garden that has squash in it. Pretty cool. At least the start of something. So we can plant more things in the future, but for now, it's squash.
There's a lot right in here.
Awesome.
That was fun.
That was really
Man,
awesome.
that was super fun.
Mm-hmm.
So we're like 2 nights left
Yep.
in this, and then we're on our new place.
Yeah, we'll start packing up tomorrow from the shipping containers or storage units or whatever.
Yeah, we have U-Hauls booked and all that.
Yeah, just makes it easier than trying to do it all in one day. Pack a bunch tomorrow and then unload on Wednesday.
And then I think there'll be a little bit
Unload
left.
again.
Yeah, and I think there'll be a little bit. What the?
A little bit left.
I think there'll be a little bit left,
Yeah.
and we'll get with the truck in
Yeah.
the containers because we get 3 10x10s. So
Yeah.
it's not a whole lot of stuff, but it's going to be
enough.
too much for the thing because there's tires and stuff too, right?
Yeah.
So, anyways, that's that.
Pretty awesome.
Tomorrow's a big day to move.
Yeah.
It was really cool to be in there again today. I wish we could have stayed though.
I know. Super great.
Yeah. All right. See ya.
See ya.